Hello, so today doing this Leetcode contest, bi-weekly contest 17. So let's get started with the first one, which is Decompress a run length encoded list. So we have a list of numbers of integers representing a list compressed with run length encoding. So consider each adjacent pair of elements A, B on the decompressed list, return the decompressed list. So it represents a list compressed with a run length encoding, okay? So that would mean that we have each adjacent pair of elements, A, B, for each such pair where A values in the decompressed list. Okay, what does that mean? Consider each adjacent pair, so we'd consider 1 and 2, right? They are actually nim of 2 to the power of I. 2 multiplied by I, so 1 here is 0 multiplied by 2, so it's and 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1, so the number of position 1. That's a little bit, I'm not sure I got the problem. So run length encoding is usually this, where you have this, you say 6 A's and something like that. So is that like 1, 2 and 3 4s? Is that like means this is 1, 2 and then 3 4s? Maybe. Does it return like the right case? Maybe because if I do a custom use case, I'm just gonna return this and try the custom case to see if I understand it. So what if I say 2 2s and 2 4s? 2 2s and 2 4s. What if I say 3 1s and then 1 4? Do I get 3 1s and 1 4? Yep, okay, so that's what it is. Okay, so how can we solve this? So I think this would be something like res, right? And then we want to zip every element with the next, right? So I think that would be done with the just get from here. So if I do something like this, okay, so we get that. But if we zip nims with Yeah, I don't want it to be zip 2 and 3. Yeah, maybe it would be easier to do it just using kind of I. Just do I 0 and then say I plus 1, and then we do need to append the element at position I, and then names of I. So I guarantee that the length is even. That's good. So just basically what if, okay, I will test that. I will need to test a case where it's more like 3 1s and 2 4s. Say 3 1s and 3 4s. Okay, so for this name and a range of names I, we will add I plus 1. And so here we'll need this to be this one. And we'll add 2 here. And we'll return res. And then we of course need this. The length is at least 2, so 1. What if it's 1 2? What if it's 2 1s? Okay. Oh, line 5 here. Yeah. So line 5 there is a syntax problem. So while that, oh, it's in, yeah. Okay. I say looks good. That's meant. Cool, it passes. Now we'll take a look at the other solutions, other people's solution. First, let's just